Hungry as hell.
Goody, you get a snack cake?
This ain't gonna do it for me. That's because I got my mind set on oxtail rice.
Peas.
At the Jamaican store. What's the line? On Memorial Drive.
I knew
Girl,
you
don't
gonna-
talk about that, because that's what I want some jerk
I
chicken.
knew he's gonna say that too.
Yeah. I got my mind set on that place.
You remember that time I made the jerk chicken for my class?
Mm-hmm.
She was in my class.
Oh, she was good. She is such a good cook. Oh, she gonna make somebody a wonderful wife one day.
I've been good. Got that white material.
Do it look like it's something in there? Look brown.
What is that?
Then I
That's
guess
what
we
you gonna
don't have
stand
no
on
yellow
with.
food coloring.
You know he's gonna
Like you can buy the India.
Yeah, but I mean, like when it's.
Yeah, that's what it's for. Don't you supposed to be stabbing somebody with a needle?
But then he still has to get help.
Did you get any in there?
I got some. How that look?
Maybe like you know how like sometimes they'll like tie around.
What's that?